All right, so someone asked if I would do a video on how I bake sourdough. So this video is solely gonna be on how I bake sourdough. And I've decided to do it in my actual Dutch oven because I feel like the majority of people bake their sourdough in Dutch ovens. Normally I bake mine in this, but it does bake a little bit differently. So we're not talking about this. We're talking about this. So, the first thing that I do is I put this in my oven and I preheat the oven to 500 degrees with this in it. And I let it preheat at 500 for anywhere between 30 minutes to a full hour, if I have time. Another thing to make sure of, this is kind of stupid, it's kind of a random little side quest, but if you do have a Le Creuset, they don't always come with this kind of knob. This one was a gift to me, and it came with a black knob. It's somewhere around this house, but the black knob, it can't be in the oven past, I think, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you do have to replace your knob if you want to heat these in the oven at a really high temperature. So that's just something to be aware of if you have a Le Creuset. Yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just preheat my oven with this in it to 500 degrees. It's the first thing. All right, so I have had my Dutch oven preheating now for 45 minutes at 500 degrees. And since I'm gonna get my sourdough ready, I have turned the oven down to 450 degrees. So that's what we're gonna bake it at first. This is just kind of an optional thing. I'm just putting sesame seeds on my bread. This isn't even bread for myself. It is for one of my best friends who just lost her mom. So I am making bread for her. And I'm just wetting the top a little bit so I can put sesame seeds on the top. This bread in particular, hold on, let me go wipe this off. This bread in particular is a rosemary, black pepper, and Romano cheese loaf. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but my friend really likes all of those things. So that's what we're doing. This is what we're doing. As I just get this crap everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna score it however you like. Do it pretty deep, but not super deep, because you know you're not trying to like cut your bread in half. Do whatever pattern you like. I always tend to do the same pattern because that's just me. And anyway, so what we are gonna do though is when I put this in the oven, it's at 450 degrees. I'm gonna put this in my Dutch oven with the lid on, and we're gonna bake it for about 25 minutes at 450, lid on. So I'll bring you guys over. I'll show you all the things. Hold on. So this is just pretty self-explanatory. We're just gonna put this in. I'm gonna kind of make sure that the paper's not like super crinkling the Dutch oven, but it doesn't really matter. And then we're just gonna put the lid on. Like I said, we're gonna bake this at 25 minutes at 450, and then we'll be back and I'll tell you the next step that I do. So this has been in the oven at 450 for 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna take the lid off and bake it for another 20-ish minutes at 425. So the big reveal, we're gonna see what it looks like. Oh, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. She's rounded. She looks good. Okay, so this is going back in the oven, like I said, at 425 for about 20-ish minutes. And then we're done. All right. Here's the bread. There she is. That's how I bake it. So now basically what I'll do is I'll take this out and I'll set it on kind of a cooling rack, a little wire rack. Don't mind my dog in the background. He has a toy and he thinks he should squeak. I will not cut it. Well, this isn't for me anyway. But if this were my bread, I won't cut into it until it's cooled for at least an hour. That's just what I like to do, or else it gets a little gummy. So that's a little tip for you to make your bread not gummy. So yeah, that's how I bake bread. That's how I bake my sourdough.